Hallo maatjies, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are ready for this month because it's going to be a pretty good one. I've got a few creature creations planned. I've also got a few how-tos planned for things like not having your own fake blood, so you'll be able to make some, or how to use liquid latex and a replacement for actual liquid latex. If you guys are excited as I am, I will also be running a giveaway for this month. So since this is the first video, this will be the main video for the giveaway. And the giveaway is going to work on two different things, so there could be two winners. So one's going to be for someone to win an actual makeup application by myself. The other is going to be a product giveaway for, let's say, in case someone wins that or is not able to actually get to me personally and have their makeup done. So I thought it would just be better to have two people. I will leave all the competition information down below so you can be sure to follow all the steps. It's going to be really easy and I can't wait to meet whoever is going to win this. Jumping right into the tutorial, you're going to need some liquid latex, a small container, and some cotton wool. Please don't steal your mom's Tupperware, she's going to be really mad at you. I'm going to roll the cotton into small little worms and then dipping them into the latex and making them a little bit tighter, and then just placing them onto the skin. So the effect I'm going for is like roots growing or vines growing. Either or would work. And just placing them on my chest and all the way up my neck and onto my face. Please keep in mind liquid latex does sting when you pull it off, so you're either going to jump in the shower or remove it with makeup remover. Yeah, I've got some pretty interesting faces that I pull, but let's move on to brows. Using glue stick or Prit is probably the easiest way of removing your brows because it washes off with lukewarm water. So just brushing the product through your brow, you're going to make it stick to the skin. Wait for it to dry a few seconds. It's still going to be tacky, but you're just going to use baby powder to set it. And then I just look like Jack Frost. Kind of like the white lash look though. Going in with some dark foundation and a beauty sponge. I'm just going to use it to cover up my brows. I'm also going to use a fluffy brush just to even out the roots so that they aren't as white. Then off of camera I just cut up some lashes, added some spiky lashes and gave myself a red lip. Also just put a few curls in my hair before I started painting the roots. Using my Pro palette from MAC, I just used a fresh green color to coat the roots so that they look nice, like fresh and crisp. That's the whole Mother Nature look that we are going for. Then using some brown paint, I also just carved out around the roots so that they look kind of lifted instead of just being so flat on my skin. I really like the way this came out. I originally had a different idea of sticking leaves onto myself, but I'm really glad we went with this instead. You can just use some of the remaining brown on the brush just to kind of change the color on some of the roots so that they look slightly more real. That is it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you find this easy and I would really like to see you try it. So that is it for my glamour look of what I think Mother Nature looks like. She obviously has red lips and really spiky lashes, because why not? If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're entering the competition, you can have a thumbs up anyway. But please remember to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to keep asking you until you do. So thank you for those that have already subscribed. Have an absolutely blessed day and I'll see you on the next video.